This video will show you how to replace the exhaust side VVT solenoid on a Mitsubishi Lancer with a 2.4 liter engine. This will be mounted along the passenger side rear of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. I've placed a mirror along the firewall of the engine compartment facing towards the rear of the engine. Now looking along this area, we can see the wiring harness leading down to our exhaust side VVT solenoid. Let's start by disconnecting the electrical connector. The electrical connector has a locking tab up along the top area. You just want to go ahead and squeeze that in and pull this out of place. If you have a hard time squeezing, you could use a pick on the opposite end, gently pry it up and away, and dislodge it. Now we can see the locking tab that I squeezed in right there. A quick inspection for corrosion, of course. We'll set that aside. Continuing on, we want to make sure we clean down the area of the engine where the VVT solenoid sits so no miscellaneous debris falls into the engine, which can be dangerous for the engine itself. I'll be using some compressed air for this. We're using our 10mm for our mounting bolt. You can see that right down along the bottom area here. There's our bolt. Quick inspection, we'll set that aside. Now continuing on, we're going to take hold of that VVT solenoid. We'll give it a slight twist, breaking it free from the engine and then sliding it straight rearward towards the firewall and away from the engine. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, we always like to clean and inspect the mounting surfaces. For this, I'm using a clean rag and no detergents. I don't want anything to make its way into the port leading into the engine. Now it's time to install our exhaust side VVT solenoid. As we slide this into the engine, we'll make sure everything's aligned and start in our mounting bolt. As you can see, I've applied some clean motor oil to my sealing gasket. Let's slide this into place. As I press this in towards the engine, I'm gently twisting. We're trying to slide that sealing O-ring into the proper groove, and then we'll align our mounting bolt port as well. Now it's time for our 10mm mounting bolt. We'll start it in, snug it up. I'm going to torque this to 89 inch-pounds. Let's continue on to our electrical connector. We'll line it up, press it in, listen for an audible click. After our click, just a light tug confirming that's secured in place. Clean any mess in this area. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our exhaust side VVT solenoid. Now at this point, it's always a good idea to change your engine oil and filter. After you've completed that, you're going to want to start the engine and let it run. Make sure you have no running condition, no check engine light, close the hood, and then take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.